Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the restaurant chatbot using AI. So we have to enter the text and bot will reply. Project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter model is used. So this is the about section and it will give the complete information. Let's click on the OK button. You can change the font size or shape, and this is the color theme. I am changing the font. You can enable or disable voice output or input. Let's type hello and bot will reply.
Hello, I'm Restro Chatbot. How can I help you?
Okay, let's open the calendar. Okay, let's enter where are you located. So you can locate us in India. Let's give the another text. Do you have vegan food? Yes, we have vegan food. Bot will reply. Okay, your food is delicious. So just now I off that voice output. Your food is delicious. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, bye. Hope to see you again. Bye. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.